Welcome back to Module 4, Methods of Teaching English to Young Learners. In the first video, we reviewed many common learning characteristics of young learners. In this video, we will look at some suitable methods of teaching primary school pupils. There are many methods of teaching English. Here are some of the methods which are thought to be more suitable for young learners. Total physical response method, model action talk method, communicative method, story-based method. We are not going to study these methods in details. We will just look at some of the features that are related to teaching young learners. James Asher, in his book Learning Another Language Through Actions, described total physical response method with the following main features. It is a method of teaching a language which is based on doing actions. The teacher gives commands and demonstrates the actions. Learners show their understanding through carrying out the commands physically. It helps develop listening skills. It introduces new language in a visual contextualized way, for example, miming, action songs. It helps learners remember better when linking physical action with language. It does not put pressure on learners to speak. So we can see that with these features, TPR method can be used with learners of different ages. But it is particularly useful for young learners and beginners. Now let's look at communicative method. It is a common method for teaching learners to achieve communicative competence and focuses on communication and interaction. In her book, The Primary English Teacher's Guide, Brewster mentions some features of communicative language teaching method, which are suitable for children. Pupils learn basic English language skills with emphasis on listening and speaking for early levels. Pupils are engaged in doing meaningful and real-life tasks or activities in the classroom to learn language, like phonics, words, structures, and language skills like speaking, reading, listening, writing. They usually do these tasks in pairs or in groups. This approach is also referred to as activity-based and commonly involved in the use of three main types of tasks. Problem-solving tasks. The examples may be matching, categorizing, sequencing, identifying. Interactive tasks like survey, interviews, and creative tasks like drawing, making a birthday card, doing projects, etc. Now let's see model action talk method. It was developed by an English language teaching expert, Ritsuko Nakata. As the name tells you, teacher model first. The people repeat and do things after the teacher's model and instruction. Then they can speak using the language by the end of the lesson. This method requires pupils to drill a lot using body actions, repeating vocabulary, sentences, and questions, so that they can learn a maximum amount of English skills in a minimum amount of time. This method, unlike TPR, focuses on speaking skill rather than listening. 80% of class time is spent on speaking. The procedure of teaching is: teacher teaches vocabulary first, then learner learns the words in a sentence, then ask questions. For example, they will learn ice cream, and then I like ice cream, and then what do you like? You can watch some videos about this method on the internet. The links are on the slides.
Okay, we're going to talk about how to present new language in 3 easy steps. The The 3 easy steps are teaching the vocabulary, the sentence pattern, and the question form. Today I'm going to be talking about how you can teach the vocabulary. Are you ready to be my students?
Yes.
Good. Okay, can you repeat after me? Computer.
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 Globe.
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 Notebook.
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 Eraser.
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 Very good. Now say it 3 times. Computer. 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 Again.
Computer. Computer. Computer.
Globe. Globe.
Globe. Globe.
Again.
Globe. Globe. Globe.
Notebook.
Notebook. Notebook. Notebook.
Again.
Notebook. Notebook. Notebook.
Eraser.
Eraser. Eraser. Eraser.
Again.
Eraser. Eraser. Eraser.
Very good. Now say it 1 time.
Computer.
Computer.
Globe.
Globe.
Notebook.
Notebook.
Eraser.
Eraser.
Computer. Globe. Notebook. Eraser. Computer. Eraser. Globe. Eraser. Notebook. Computer. Globe.
Very good. And in this way, we gradually increase the speed so that the students are speaking by themselves and are able to learn the vocabulary and to say them fluently. All right, now we are going to talk about how to present new language, and we can do it in 3 easy steps with teaching the vocabulary, the sentence pattern, and the question form. The students already know how to say the vocabulary. Now we're going to put it together in a sentence. All right, today's sentence is it's a. And my gesture for making a sentence is this, and I put it next to the cards here. Now, for we do this for the gesture. Can you say, it's a,
It's a.
it's a,
It's a.
it's a,
It's a.
it's a globe,
It's a globe.
it's a notebook.
It's a notebook.
Can you say this one?
It's a computer.
Very good. It's a computer.
It's a computer.
Okay, let's make the sentences again. Ready, go.
It's a globe. It's a notebook. It's a computer. It's a globe.
Very good. Now look at this one. Do you remember what this word was?
Eraser.
Eraser, but we can't say it's an eraser. We have to say it's an eraser. Our gesture for an is an.
And.
An.
And.
Can you say it in a sentence? It's an eraser. Very good. What's this? Can you make a sentence?
It's a notebook.
It's a notebook.
It's an eraser.
It's an eraser.
It's a computer. It's an eraser. It's a globe. It's an eraser. It is a notebook. It's an eraser. It's a computer. It's a globe. It's a notebook. It's a computer. It's an eraser.
It's an eraser. Very good. And this way, the students can use the gestures to learn how to put the an in there. And afterwards, if they ever make a mistake, they can self-correct by just showing the gestures. We will learn how to present new language in 3 easy steps. And the first step is how to teach the vocabulary. The second one is teaching the sentence pattern. And the third one is how to teach the question form. The students already know how to say the vocabulary words, and they know how to say the sentence with it's a and it's an. Now we're going to do the question. Okay, what's this?
It's a globe.
It's a globe. What's this?
It's a notebook.
What's this?
It's a computer.
What's this?
It's an eraser.
Very good. What did I say?
What's this?
What's this?
What's this?
What's this?
What's this?
This means something very close to you, so I use the gesture for this. Okay? This.
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 That means that you are touching it, and it's very close to you. Okay, can you say it 3 times? What's this? What's this? What's this? Again? What's this? What's this? What's this? Say it 3 times again. And touch your head 3 times and say, finish. Ready, go. What's this? What's this? What's this? 1, 2, 3, finish. Okay, one more time. This time, rub your tummy 3 times and say, finish. Ready, go. What's this? What's this? What's this? 1, 2, 3, finish. Very good. Now we're going to divide you into 2 groups. And this side you're going to ask them, and this side you're going to answer with the gestures, okay? Pretend like you are holding it, and when you ask, what's the question?
What's this?
Very good. This side you ask. Ready, go.
What's this? It's an eraser.
It's an eraser. Very good.
What's this? It's a globe. What's this? It's a notebook.
Very good. Now you ask this side. Ready, go.
What's this? It's a notebook. What's this? It's a computer. What's this? It's an eraser.
Very good. Now that we practiced in 2 groups, we're ready to practice in pairs. Can I have a pair come here, please? Okay, can you ask this one? And can you ask this? Okay, are you ready? Don't forget the gesture. Ready, go.
What's this?
It's an eraser. What's this?
It's a computer.
Very good. Thank you. Now, with these 3 steps of presenting and getting the students to ask and answer in groups and then into pairs, the students are ready to talk by themselves.
Story-based method. One of interesting and very effective ways of teaching children English is using stories. That is why many textbook writers include the story in the lessons. For example, you can see stories in the review units of Tiếng Anh 3, 4, and 5. The story-based method encourages young learners to work out the meaning of the language in context and involves them in doing actions. It is also suitable for young learners' imagination and curiosity. So far, we have looked at some common methods to teach primary school pupils. The choice of the methods depends on many factors, including the teacher's different beliefs and understandings of how their pupils learn English, their knowledge, and the experience in teaching English to primary school pupils. It also depends on the context and content of teaching, the task given, and mostly the pupils' needs and interests. The modern language teachers does not follow one rigid method, but applies the principles eclecticism approach. That is, fitting the method to the learners, not vice versa. Okay, we stop our lesson here. In the next video, we will see some useful techniques used in the young learners' language classes. See you then. Bye for now.